See, it didn't faze me this time, did it? Because I knew something like that was going to fucking happen. Then look at those guys over there. You done pissed them off. I don't give a... The guy's up there fucking putting. Damn, he hit it straight. You're going to make me do that every time now. No, I did not hit it straight. It faded right. You still look at that drive, though. You fucking... That fucker's off. Did you get that on camera?
I did.
Okay. Because he had his thumb over the fucking camera hole when he did it yesterday. Yesterday was fucking hilarious. Oh, listen to this. Do it to Brian. Maybe he'll hit it straight. No.